Stay connected to your home, alert to every movement, anytime. Welcome to Gadgeto Lab, your go-to spot for the latest and smartest tech gear. Introducing the Wyze Cam V4, a compact security camera that delivers sharp 2.5K video with enhanced color night vision for clearer details, day or night. With a wider field of view, improved motion detection, and smart home compatibility, it keeps you connected to what matters most. Simple to set up and packed with features, it's powerful protection at an affordable price. What's in the box? Inside the box, you'll find the Wyze Cam V4. Quick start guide. Wall mount plate. Wall mount plate tape. Screw kit. Indoor USB power adapter. 6-foot flat micro USB to USB-A cable. Technical specifications. Let's take a closer look at the Wyze Cam V4. It features a sleek white and gray design with a polycarbonate body and glass and plastic lens for a durable, modern feel. The camera records sharp 2.5K QHD video with color and IR night vision, while its CMOS starlight sensor delivers clear footage even in low light. With a wide 115.8 degrees diagonal, 98.5 degrees horizontal, and 53.1 degrees vertical field of view, you get full coverage, recording at 20 frames per second during the day and 15 at night, with up to 8 times digital zoom. For night monitoring, it uses 4 850nm IR LEDs and 2 white spotlight LEDs at 72 lumens. Audio is clear through a 99 decibel waterproof speaker, two-way talk, and a built-in siren. Connectivity is via 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi with Wi-Fi 6 support and Bluetooth 5.2, compatible with Android 9.0 Plus, iOS 15.0 Plus, and smart assistants like Alexa, Google Assistant, and IFTTT. Storage supports local micro SD up to 256 gigabytes, or a cloud subscription. Mounting is flexible with a stand, wall, ceiling, or magnetic mount, and power comes from a 5-volt 1-amp adapter with a 6-foot micro USB cable. Weather-resistant and built for any environment, it operates between -20 to 50 degrees Celsius. Product features. The Wyze Cam V4 comes loaded with features that make it a versatile security solution. First, it delivers crisp 2.5K QHD resolution with color night vision, giving you clear, detailed footage anytime, day or night. Unlike standard cameras, its color night vision lets you see more than just black and white shadows, so you can easily identify people, objects, and activity even in low-light conditions. Perfect for both indoor and outdoor security, the Wyze Cam V4 is weather-resistant with an IP65 rating, allowing you to monitor living rooms, driveways, porches, or garages without worry. It's built to handle varying temperatures and conditions, keeping an eye on your home wherever you place it. The motion-activated spotlight adds another layer of protection by automatically illuminating the area when movement is detected. This not only improves visibility in the dark, but also acts as a deterrent to potential intruders, giving you real-time awareness of activity around your home. It lets you hear and speak to anyone near the camera in real time. With a built-in microphone and speaker featuring advanced noise and echo cancellation, your voice comes through clearly whether you're greeting visitors, warning intruders, or checking in on family and pets from anywhere. Product overview. Let's take a closer look at the Wyze Cam V4. On the front, you'll find the lens centered for a wide field of view. Just above it is the integrated spotlight for color night vision and deterrent lighting. Flanking the lens are the microphone for crisp two-way audio and a status light to let you know your camera's connection state at a glance. Moving to the back, the V4 features a powerful speaker for loud, clear communication and a weather-resistant power cable entry point. ensuring your camera stays powered in any environment. On the bottom of the camera, you'll find the micro SD card slot for secure local storage and the setup button used to quickly sync the device to your Wyze app. The versatile base includes a 1/4-inch mount, which you can unscrew to access, and a built-in mounting hole for easy wall or ceiling installation. App connection. Download the Wyze app from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Open the app and either sign in with your existing account or create a new one if you're a first-time user. This account will manage all your Wyze devices and notifications. Launch the Wyze app on your Android or iOS device, then tap the plus icon and select Add Device, then choose Camera and select your cam. Follow the on-screen instructions to prepare the camera for pairing, including confirming the LED is blinking. Press the setup button located at the bottom of the camera to enable pairing mode. Enter your Wi-Fi credentials in the app so the cam can join your network. Once the app confirms a successful connection, you can name the device, set motion detection preferences, and adjust lighting or recording settings. How to install. Start by selecting a spot that gives a clear view of the area you want to monitor. For indoor setups, corners of rooms or near entryways work best. For outdoor use, place it under eaves, porches, or walls, where it's protected from direct weather, but still has a full view of driveways, yards, or entrances. It comes with multiple mounting options. You can use the included stand for flat surfaces, a wall or ceiling mount for fixed placement, or the magnetic adhesive mount for quick and flexible installation. Choose the method that fits your location and coverage needs. Attach the camera firmly using screws, adhesive, or the magnetic mount. Once mounted, tilt and rotate the camera to ensure it captures the full area you want to monitor. Make sure it's stable and not easily disturbed, so your video remains clear and consistent. Safety tips. Avoid extreme temperatures. Use approved power sources. Protect from water and moisture. Clean gently. Mount securely. Keep firmware and software updated. Product comparison. Talking about the materials and build. The Wyze Cam VU4 features a durable polycarbonate body with a glass and plastic lens and an IP65 weather-resistant rating, making it suitable for both indoor and outdoor use. The Topo C120 also uses a sturdy plastic construction with a compact modern design and is built for flexible placement indoors or in sheltered outdoor areas. The Wyze Cam V4 delivers sharp 2.5K QHD resolution with color night vision powered by a starlight sensor, along with a motion-activated spotlight for added visibility. The Topo C120 also records in 2K QHD resolution and features color night vision with built-in spotlights, offering clear and detailed footage even in low-light conditions. The Wyze Cam V4 supports local micro SD storage up to 256 gigabytes and optional cloud storage, connecting via 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi with Wi-Fi 6 support and Bluetooth setup. The Topo C120 also supports local micro SD storage and cloud services, connecting through 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi with app-based setup for easy installation. Pros and cons. On the plus side, the Wyze Cam V4 delivers crisp 2.5K QHD resolution with impressive color night vision, supported by a starlight sensor for clear, low-light footage. It also comes with a motion-activated spotlight, enhanced two-way talk with noise cancellation, and a built-in siren for extra security. The camera is IP65 weather-resistant for indoor and outdoor use, supports local storage up to 256 gigabytes, and includes Wi-Fi 6 support, all at an affordable price. On the downside, it doesn't offer 4K resolution and drops to 15 frames per second at night. The spotlight isn't very bright, it only works on 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi, and some advanced features require a paid subscription. The siren is effective, but not a replacement for a full alarm system. Overall, the Wyze Cam V4 provides excellent value with a few minor limitations. You've been watching Gadgeto Lab, where tech meets innovation and imagination never stops. If you enjoyed the video, hit that like button, subscribe, and stay tuned. The future of gadgets is just getting started.